The title of this paper is Anglophone and Civilian Legal Cultures, Global Governance by State and Corporation. I will read portions of the abstract and introduction of that paper. It was first presented in an early form at a conference on globalization and the social sciences at Goethe University in Frankfurt, Germany. Later, it was published by Vernon Press in this format in a law series in 2019, edited by Marko Novakovic. The title again, Anglophone and Civilian Legal Cultures, Global Governance by State and Corporation. This paper sets forth a way to understand how technology has enabled Anglophone legality to employ both the structure of the state and the structure of the corporation in its project of globalization. The paper does so by comparing certain fundamental differences between the two Western legal traditions, civilian and Anglophone. It will describe civil or continental law as a system based in philosophical principle, with the scholar as central figure in its interpretation. It provides the advantage of an explicitly defined method intended to be understandable and reasonable, its great virtue being its rational predictability. The civil law is said to operate on the principle of equitas et bonum, the fair and the good. By contrast, the Anglophone or common law is a collegial law guided by consensus among its fellowship of members. The judge determines the law as he follows decisions made by judges before him. It is inexplicit in its operation, working on a division of knowledge that assumes the public will not understand the intricacies by which the law works. Instead of reflecting moral or cultural standards, it is often said to be value-free in its operation, its great virtue being that of malleable adaptability. The good it confers is the order it imposes in a rule of law. This comparative approach is used to explain how civilian method is assimilated to the state and the structure of international law, two of its own creations. At the same time, Anglophone law emphasizes the corporation, especially the multinational corporation, a transnational structure unimpeded by geographic distance or national boundary, the primary structure of an unfolding global rule of law.